Number 7. No good. Okay, number 7 again. Out of bounds. Kempinski. Time remaining 5 minutes and 31 seconds. Back to the ball game. Okay, pinasa sa number 8. Driving in. Again, number 1. Driving in. Whoops! Intercepted by number 22. Pinasa sa number 12. Umira. Okay, 2 points. Okay. Okay, let's go for the score. Kempinski 73. And 61 for... Yeah, oi. 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. Four minutes and 10 seconds.
Counted.
64 for Sofitel and 73 for Kempinski.
Stop.
Whoa.
Oras lang.
Number 16.
Relax lang.
There the ball.
Oras.
Okay, pinasa sa number 22.
Screen, nice. Bang.
Routed by number 27. Pinasa sa number 13. Driving the ball. Number 12. Uy! Out of bounds. Fourth quarter.
Tres ha. Tira yan ha.
Number 13. Pinasa sa number 22. Umira. Hey! 3 points. Score 67 for Sofitel and 73 for Kempinski with a 6-point lead. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Okay, oops. Foul. Number 1 to number 8. Okay. Nasa sa number 22. Driving. Foul by number 13. Time remaining 2 minutes 30 seconds. Okay, number 1 to number 22. Driving in. Umira. Foul. Double foul. Number 16 and number Sofitel warning for penalty. Okay, number 8 to number 16. Driving in. Traveling. Number 16. Number 13.
Last 2 minutes oh.
2 minutes remaining time for fourth quarter. Umira. Oh, no good. Divided by number 12. Umira. No good.
Hawak lang.
Okay.
Tira.
Number 16. Driving in. Tira. Hey! 2 points.
1 minute oh. 1 minute lang yan.
1 minute and 35 seconds remaining time. Umira. Oh! 3 points. Number 12. Sofitel Kibinski 75. So 5-point lead. Time remaining. 1 minute and 5 seconds for the fourth quarter. Okay, number 12, Tumira. Oh, rebounded. Traveling. Substitution.
Sini lang yan, 1 minute na lang.